Oh my god, this is completely disaster for me right now because this PC is totally inside the dust, so much dust you can see on these GPUs. This is the RGB fan and you can look on this fan and imagine that how I am keeping this PC running. So even it is running, that is the awesome thing for me right now. But you can look at this PC, the condition of these GPUs. This is 5800 GPU from Gigabyte, and you can see the dust on these GPUs. So this is completely looking disaster. I built this PC more than 5 years ago, and since that this PC is perfectly working fine. This is from Sapphire, and you can look inside the dust. This is also from Sapphire, and you can see the dust. Holy solely, this is completely looking like a disaster PC. And you would wonder how even I'm running this PC more than 5 years on this wooden frame. So I made this wooden frame when I built this PC. I made the wooden frame along with it, and since then it is working on this wooden frame only. You can see the RGB fans. I have fitted all these RGB fans, which is right now so much dirty. Along with this, here is the power supply unit, and you can see the dust on this power supply. So the overall thing is that today I'm going to blow all this dust from this PC and make this work once again perfectly fine for me, and try to restart this, try to mine the Ethereum or Nanopool once again. So let's go ahead, clean this up, blow all the dust from this monster PC. Okay, by the way, this is RX 570 from Asus, and this is not quite steady GPU which I bought along with this Fire or RX5 RX 5800 GPUs. The fan of this GPU has been broken, and because of that right now I am using this RGB fan to make this GPU cool, to have less power utilization, and still it's working fine. So you can see I have cleared all the GPU fan from this GPU apart, and I'm using this RGB fan to cool this GPU up. So let's go ahead and clean this PC, make this PC like a new one. Now all seems pretty good. It took more than 1 hour to clean this all GPUs. So now I'm going to install all these GPUs on this monster motherboard and try to check out whether it's going to work or not. You can see my wooden frame is completely cleaned up, my power supply unit is completely cleaned up, riser cards are all shining. So let's go ahead and install all these GPUs on this monster motherboard and check out whether this is going to work or not. Alright guys, I'm pretty much done over here. I have installed all GPUs on my motherboard. All connection have been made successfully. Now it's time to check out whether this PC is going to work again for me or not. So let's finger cross and power on this system. Seems fine. Here is the screen. Oh yeah, it's going up. Nothing seems wrong with this system, and system is booting up. All components is working perfectly fine. The RGB fans, this Asus GPU, this Sapphire, and this 5800 XT is all working fine, and Windows is booting, loading up. So let's check. It's going to load nanopool miner to mine Ethereum or not. Let's finger crossed. Let's check this out. It's taking longer time than as usual, so let's check what is coming up. Oh yeah, Windows has been loaded successfully. Now it's time. Oh great, you can hear the boosting for loading the miner, and miner has been come up. Oh yeah, it has detected only 570 and 5700 XT card. Oh, I'm sorry, this is RX 5700 XT card from Gigabyte. So it has been loaded all card except one card. So where is the fault right now going on? Which card is not working? I have to check this out and make this up once again. But till this, everything looks good, everything looks fine, so nothing seems wrong over here. So yeah, it has been loaded Ethereum tag. Alrighty guys, this is the overall cleaning up process of my mining rig. This my monster PC. Now I have to check out why one of these GPUs are not working. Is there anything related to the driver or related with the OS? I have to fix those out, and I will come up with the updated video once again with this my monster mining rig.